Further research. So there were a couple areas identified by the researchers that would be a great application of further research based on this study. So based on this new understanding, it is thought that because piezo-1 controls two processes, its downregulation should slow both processes, division and death. If this is the case, that means that it could be a possible target for colorectal, gastric, or thyroid cancers, anywhere epithelial cells are present in large numbers. A further area of research is also in crowded postmeiotic cells who are least likely to respond to calcium. What happens to them? Following this, the researchers were also curious what it was that calcium was enough to promote cell division, but not enough to promote cell exclusion or death on its own. It has to be coupled with another mechanism. And finally, additionally, the researchers wanted to know if a different type of tension, depending on subcellular localization, could be sensed by a piezo-1 receptor. And finally, the number of piezo-1 receptors triggering cell death and cell division is an area that is in need of further studies. So finally, in conclusion, the researchers were able to determine the mechanosensitive receptor and ion who are responsible for cell regeneration as well as cell exclusion and ultimately death in order for epithelial cells to be able to maintain proper density or homeostasis. Piezo-1 and calcium. The research paper that was analyzed and presented here was published in Nature in 2017. Thank you for listening.